Hey y'all, welcome back to Sweet Gem Life. This is your girl Keena. Today we are unboxing the March 2021 cloth and paper sub box. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Here is the menu card. It literally tells you what's inside. And it says, thank you so much for subscribing to our March 2021 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine. Before I go into this, because I always forget, here is the freebie little insert that we get, and it's a cleaning checklist, and it says when your environment is clean, you feel happy, motivated, and healthy. That is an entire fact. So we have daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. This is too big to fit into my A5. So what I'm going to do is, at some point, I'm going to cut these down into cards so that we can use them. And I think I'm going to laminate them so I have little checklists that I can just clean as I go and reuse it. So here is the cleaning checklist that came in this month's box. First thing up we have are the cleaning inserts. So it says, start with a clean slate this season and keep it that way. We are always thinking of ways to make your planner shine. Now you can make your home shine too with our cleaning inserts. Y'all have been waiting for something like this because, ooh, child. We're gonna leave it at that. And it says cleaning and chores up here, week of. And then we have somewhat of a habit tracker for daily chores. And then we have checklists for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then we have a section for notes. And on the back, it is just the same. So we have what's usually 15 of those. And we have a demo page. Oh my God, I forgot she said she was going to put that in here. So we have a demo of how, obviously, you can just use the inserts. So it has, for daily chores, make bed, load dishwasher, pack lunch, walk dogs, and tick marks to show that it's been completed. And then for Monday, it has clean mirrors and wash towels. Tuesday, it has tidy living room, dust furniture, water plants. Wednesday, it has organized cabinets. Thursday, it has clean bathroom. Friday, it has go grocery shopping and vacuum floors. Saturday, it has wipe down kitchen, clean out fridge, organized pantry. Sunday, it has do laundry, fold clothes, take out the trash. And then on the notes, it says need to pick up laundry detergent. So that's a great example of how to use these inserts. I am so glad that they included that, because that definitely gives you some inspiration, motivation to get it done, get them used. So these are the cleaning and chores inserts. Next up, we have the half-page cleaning inventory inserts. And it says, with these half-page cleaning inventory inserts, running out of supplies is a thing of the past. Keep track of your cleaning products by layering these over your new cleaning inserts. Ha! There's even space to note down your favorite cleaning hacks and personal recipes. So up here it just says cleaning inventory. We have a checklist that's labeled supply list, and then we have reminders down here. And then on the back we just have a dot grid space for your hacks. So there are several pages of this, and then let's check out the demo page. And under the supply list, it has glass cleaner, 2 scrub pads, dish sponges, microfiber cloth, air freshener, garbage bags, rubber gloves, and bleach. Down here, reminders, take out the trash Tuesday morning. So these are truly great. These are the half-page cleaning inventory inserts. Next up, we have the wave dashboard, and it says you can't stop the waves, but you can learn how to surf. Use this as a reminder that you can handle whatever life throws at you. You're stronger than you think. We have this grayish kind of periwinkle. Oh, the waves are textured. That's pretty interesting. And it's just a thick cardstock, and like I said, it does have a texture here, a raised texture where the waves are. So this is the wave dashboard. Next up, we have the logo file dashboard, and it says, are you a lover of words too? If so, this is the dashboard for you. So up here it just says, there is luxury in simplicity. Logo file is a noun, a lover of words. And this is just the very thick cardstock, and there's no texture here. So this is the logo file dashboard. Next up, we have the window dashboard, and it says there's nothing quite like opening your windows on a warm spring day. Take your time to enjoy the little things this season. I'm here for this window, and I'm ready to have one of these types of windows installed when I buy my house. So this is the soft touch material. I don't know what else to call it. I'm not really sure what Cloth and Paper specifically calls it, but I will find out for you guys. And this is the window dashboard. Next up, we have the Fog Color Bar Lined Notepad, and it says there's no such thing as too many notepads. Add our new color bar lined notepad featuring our signature fog color to your collection, and it's a 4x6, and there are 50 sheets of this thick paper. Y'all know how Cloth and Paper gets down. So this is the Fog Color Bar Lined Notepad. Next, we have the email call minimal task card set, and it says never miss an important email or phone call again with these minimal task cards, and they're 2 by 3.5, and there are 12 of each card. So we have the email, we have our checklist here. You can sit this however, whatever floats your boat, and then we have the call with the task, with the to-do list as well. So these are the email call minimal task card set. Y'all know the last time we got a set of these, I don't think we got these in the box. No, that's not right. Cloth and Paper released another set of this circle page flag set in another color palette, and I completely love it. If y'all could see areas of my planner that I don't always photo and put on social media, you'd understand how much I love it. So it says our circle sticky notes are the perfect way to add a pop of color to your planner. This month we've included 2 of our new colors, Beignet and Quartz, and they're 1.25 inch diameter, and there are 25 sheets of each color. And let's find out which ones are the new ones. It does not show. So normally on the back you can look and see what the colors are. Not the case this time, but very, very pretty. These are the Circle Sticky Note Set, palette number 2. Next, we have the Quartz Transparent Page Flags, and it says we just can't get enough of these new colors, which is why we've included our transparent page flags also in quartz. So there are 50, and as you can see, they are just the 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches. They will fit your 1.5 inch boxes, Happy Planner, EC, whatever you want to use them in, and they're in the quartz color. So these are the transparent page flags for the month. Last but not least, we have our journaling cards for the month. So we have the Grateful quote card, and it says, "The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see," by Mary Davis. Next, we have the Fresh Start quote card, and it says, "A fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset." Ooh, that one is strong. Then we have the month view for May, and this is the matte card, and the month view for May in the clear card. So these are the journaling cards for the month. So y'all, here is the March 2021 Cloth and Paper stationery box. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share. Of course, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.